We're proud to introduce Tap Lock and Tap Lock Lite, the world's smartest padlocks.
Tap Lock and Tap Lock Lite need no key, no combination code, and no phone to access them. Instead, using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor,
Create a padlock for the modern age. We believe a lock should always be functional and provides you with a quick, easy access whenever you need it.
there's nothing to remember and nothing you can lose. It uses the one thing you always have with you, your unique fingerprint. Tap Lock can also double as a phone charger, so you'll never be stranded without power. But what about the times when you need to share in control? Tap Lock is designed to keep unwanted guests out. It has a built-in alarm that will activate if the lock is cut or if someone without authorization tries to open it. So wherever you decide to use your Tap Lock or Tap Lock Lite, you can feel confident that your valuables are secure and that accessing them will be quick and easy. Tap Lock has a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 years on one charge. And it gives you the option of accessing your lock through your phone using Bluetooth 4.1. Tap Lock Lite was designed with travelers in mind, so we made it small, lightweight, and secure. It's equipped with a replaceable battery that can last up to 6 months. It's also water resistant, so you don't need to worry about it being damaged by rain or snow.
Introducing WearBuds, the world's first on-wrist charging true wireless earbuds. The innovative design allows you to charge your earbuds on the go without a case. They are securely stored on your wrist, ready for whenever you need them. It was a great challenge to make these earbuds as small as possible while still giving them a great battery life. They also had to be specially designed to fit perfectly into the wristband. Drawn from industry giants, the experts on the product team have a wide range of specialties and are dedicated to bringing WearBuds to life. More than 285 prototypes were built and tested before the team finally got a result they were satisfied with. The reinvented band not only stores and charges now, once and for all. Sound quality matters. With an advanced Qualcomm smart audio chipset and fine-tuned graphene augmented dynamic drivers, WearBuds guarantee exceptional audio and immerse you in a stunning soundscape wherever you go. You can pop out either earbud to make hands-free phone calls easy and fast.
Brand Condor Cycles have guided the design that now delivers genius tech, energy efficiency, and affordability.
iTrack-It gives you all year round peace of mind. You know where your bike is at all times.
Everyone's been looking for a solution like iTrack-It for years. Bike theft is seen as a part of everyday city life. iTrack-It can finally help change this.
Its power-efficient design means iTrack-It lasts up to a year without recharging.
Growth in global cycling is off the scale, but so is bike crime. In the UK alone, one bike is stolen every 6 minutes, all day, every day of the year. Once they're gone, they're gone. We never see our beautiful machines again. There are tracking devices out there, but they're either too complicated, too expensive, or both.
After months of testing, we finally nailed the tech, and our team are excited to bring you iTrack-It, the world's first covert urban tracker that fits inside every bike frame.
Packed with sensors and hidden safely inside your bike's frame, iTrackIt pairs with your phone.
Stretched police resources and a lack of crime data mean that in the UK, 9 out of 10 cycle thefts are never investigated. iTrackIt radically changes all that, allowing you to provide the police with real-time data about the location of your bike.
Thieves know where trackers are fitted. They're in the handlebars, seat posts and top caps, and they're too easily removed. We've always wanted a tracker that can be fitted within the frame.
We've landed the prototypes and they're genius. And now we need your support to help us bring iTrackIt safely to the world.
So join us. Keep your bike safe, lock it, mark it.